Gotta get that guap right now. Gotta get that paper right now. I know they mad at me. I'm putting on now. I came a long way, you know I've been through hella shit. I know they wanna see me gone, but that ain't happening. No. I'm up on the grind, I gotta get it right now. They talking on my name, they ain't really with that shit. And rookies better stop it, tell them boys to pipe down. Cause really I'ma spray all around. But is you gon' ride? Tell me you gon' slide for me, yeah. Cause I don't know nobody. Why you think I stay by myself? Tell me you gon' ride, tell me, yeah. Is you gon' slide? I'm tryna get paid. That's why I stay on the grind.